Congratulations. I think a lot of people are a sigh of relief, hopefully, and praying that this can get out quickly. One of the issues we've been talking about is the supply constraints and how quickly that's going to change and move. I know there's 50 million doses available before the end of the year, 1.2 million doses in calendar year 2021. Can you speak to how you see that rolling out? Is that in fits and starts? How quickly does that come? Is that by the first half of the year, second half of the year? What does that look like?
Yeah, thank you very much. And first of all, let me tell you that there is no one more relieved than me seeing these results. We are already started manufacturing some time back. And as I said, we believe we should be able to have up to 50 million this year, 1.3 billion next year. This will be coming gradually. In the beginning, a little bit less, then the first quarter more, the second quarter more, and then we have a significant ramp up in the second half of the year to deliver the 1.3 billion. But given how effective this vaccine is, and we are aware that the demand will be much higher than anything we can produce, we are also looking right now to see if there are other ways, thinking out of the box, that we increase even further the manufacturing capacity. Now we're speaking about 1,000 people dying in the US every day, right? So there's no time to be lost here.
And just to follow up on that, the 1.3 billion doses, I should say, because there are 2 doses required for each person, we're talking really about 650 million people that can be treated. Is that the way to think about it?
This is exactly the way to think about it.
And then the last question I had related to all of this is, obviously there are rivals and competitors working on vaccines, and I know you can't speak necessarily to their vaccine efforts, but given what you think you've learned here, do you think you could extrapolate out those kinds of results in any of the similarly situated vaccines that are using similar technologies?
Well, let me tell you, when it comes to pandemic, the only competitor is the virus and time. And right now, the first of all of us was able to beat, and I hope that others will also be able to beat this virus as effectively as we do, because we need options. And let me take also the time right now to thank not only the hundreds, thousands actually, of scientists that work, investigators in this side, but more importantly, the 44,000 volunteers that raised their hand to participate in a trial that they didn't know if the vaccine works or even if the vaccine is safe. I think the world owes them big time.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.